Wrister drives to the middle, walks in with it, score! And the game is even. Canis, quick hands, put himself in a position to score on the forehand.
Mason's not able to get his foot back to the post. It's a nice deke, and he gets it around his foot.
Montreal's gotten this game back under control.
Hello, my name is Louis, and today I'm going to show you, so there's the Montreal Canadiens Goal Horn from NHL 16, and there's the comparison. So that's the real Montreal Canadiens Goal Horn made by my friend NHL Horns and Songs. So I'm just going to compare both of them and show you how inaccurate the EA Sports one is. So it's just incredible, like how the EA Sports said that they're gonna make some accurate horns and songs, and it's just not accurate at all. It's not authentic. It just doesn't even sound close to the real one. So I'm just gonna show you both of them. So I'm gonna start with the NHL 16 one, and then I'm gonna show you the real one. So let's go. So that's the original. That's the real. No, that's not the original. That's the from NHL 16. So listen to this. It's just disgusting.
Drives to the middle, walks in with it, score, and the game is even.
Like, no, please, EA. Then I'm gonna show you, like, to compare. That's the real horn. I'm just gonna lower it a bit because it's pretty loud. That's the real one. So you know the pitch is way higher. It's not even close. Look, and even the song sounds better, like in this from my friend NHL Horns and Songs. But this one, it's just not the Goal Horn from Montreal. It's just not. Like, what the fuck is this shit? Like, holy shit. Listen. That's not the same as fucking. I'm gonna compare the same time. I mean, you're gonna see how there's a big difference. So that's the EA Sports. And that's the real. It's just not close at all. So I'm gonna leave it down here. I'm not gonna make any more comments.